Google just made Gemini almost twice as good at completing real business workflows, and it did it only 3 weeks after releasing the previous version. Gemini 3.7 Flash jumped from 17% to 30.4% on Automation Bench. Its code became more accurate, its debugging improved, and its score for understanding difficult PDF documents climbed from 22% to 34%. But here is why this matters for SEO. Give Gemini the right client data, and it can help turn messy reports, website audits, and keyword research into content plans, technical recommendations, and polished client deliverables. You can test it through Google AI Studio using the free tier, subject to Google's usage limits. And later in this video, I'm going to show you one simple output format that makes Gemini's SEO work look organized, professional, and ready for a client to use. Most people skip this step, and that is exactly why their AI output still looks like it came straight from a chatbot. I am Paul James. I run a 7-figure AI agency, and I show solo operators how to use free tools like Gemini 3.7 Flash to make actual money without the subscription stack most people recommend. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the full framework for turning tools like this into actual client income, step by step, my daily deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who's in. Most professional SEO platforms charge monthly fees for keyword research, backlink data, website crawling, rank tracking, and content planning. Those tools can be valuable, but the cost is difficult to justify when you are just starting and do not have a client yet. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $100 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is why Gemini 3.7 Flash is useful. It does not contain a full keyword database, backlink index, or rank tracker. But when you provide reliable information, it can analyze the data, organize the findings, draft recommendations, and format the result much faster. Think of it as the analysis engine inside your SEO workflow. It does not replace every tool. It helps you get more value from the information you already have. I call this the Assisted SEO Stack. First, collect the right data. That might include Search Console exports, website audits, page content, and competitor research. Then Gemini analyzes the information and creates the first draft. Finally, you review everything before presenting it to the client. Gemini speeds up the work, but you are still responsible for the strategy. Gemini 3.7 Flash supports a 1 million token context window, which means it can process large documents and multiple files in one session. Google says it improved instruction following, planning, debugging, and multi-step workflows. But even with those improvements, human review is still necessary. Here is what this could look like for someone offering SEO as a service. A client gives you a Search Console export, a content audit, and a list of pages they want to improve. Gemini can compare those documents and build a 30-day content calendar with headlines, target queries, internal link opportunities, and publishing dates. You still need to verify the recommendations, but you begin with an organized draft instead of a blank spreadsheet. Gemini can also help create content briefs, give it approved keyword research, the client's brand guidelines, and the pages that already exist. It can suggest an article structure, possible questions to answer, internal links, and a draft meta description. Again, the keyword information must come from a trustworthy source. Gemini can suggest possible content gaps from the data you provide, but it cannot magically see a complete record of every search or competitor ranking. Let us keep building. You can also use Gemini to write a broken link checker. Provide the sitemap and ask it to create a Python script that checks every URL for errors. It can explain the code and help correct problems if the first version fails, but writing the script is only the beginning. You must inspect it, run it in an approved environment, respect the website's crawl limits, and verify the results. Gemini can then draft a redirect map, but each redirect needs to point to the most relevant replacement page. That decision still needs human judgment. Now imagine a local law firm that wants more visibility for personal injury searches in its city. If the firm gives you an authorized backlink export, Gemini can organize the data, group the websites, and highlight possible outreach opportunities. It can also draft personalized outreach messages based on an approved template. You still need to check each website, remove irrelevant or low-quality prospects, verify the contact information, and review every email before it is sent. Gemini does not include its own complete backlink database, but it can make supplied backlink data easier to work with. You can package that research and outreach management as a monthly service. The price depends on the amount of research, outreach, reporting, and ongoing support involved. The client is paying for the completed service, not simply access to Gemini. Or consider an HVAC company with hundreds of pages and repeated title tags. You upload a verified site audit report. Gemini groups the duplicate titles, looks at the purpose of each page, and drafts unique alternatives in a CSV. It has not fixed the live website yet. You must check the wording, page intent, keywords, length, and duplication. Then a developer or authorized user implements the approved changes. Gemini prepares the work and saves time, while the human remains responsible for the final result. And listen, if you have not already grabbed my daily deposit course, it is linked in the description. Normally $197. But if you are watching this video right now, you can get it for under $30. That is the full framework for turning tools like Gemini 3.7 into actual paying clients. The link is there. Head over and grab it before that pricing changes. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me show you how this might work in a real client scenario. A solo operator named Sarah offers SEO planning to local dentists. She does not begin by promising rankings or guaranteed traffic. Instead, she collects the dentist's search console data, current website pages, business priorities, and approved keyword research. Sarah gives those files to Gemini and asks it to organize the information. The model suggests possible content opportunities and creates the first draft of a 90-day roadmap. Each article includes a target query, search intent, proposed headline, internal link opportunities, and a suggested call to action. Sarah reviews the plan, removes weak ideas, corrects the assumptions, and checks the supporting data. She can charge for the finished strategy and offer an ongoing service to help execute and update it. Over the following months, she tracks impressions, clicks, rankings, inquiries, and conversions. If something is not working, she changes the plan. She is selling analysis, judgment, implementation, and reporting. Gemini simply helps her produce the work faster. Okay, I promised you one output format that makes this much easier to turn into a professional deliverable. Here it is. Ask Gemini to organize the final information into a structured table with specific column headings. For a content calendar, use columns for publish date, target query, search intent, headline, meta description, internal link targets, and recommended word range. For a technical audit, use page URL, issue, evidence, priority, recommended fix, responsible person, and status. For an outreach plan, use target website, reason it may be relevant, approved contact information, pitch angle, email draft, and outreach status. A table does not automatically make the analysis accurate. You still need to check every keyword, URL, number, recommendation, and contact detail, but it makes the information easier to review, approve, assign, and implement. Once everything has been checked, move the approved information into a branded spreadsheet, document, or presentation. Add a short summary explaining the priorities, what should happen next, and how success will be measured. That is what turns raw AI output into a useful client deliverable. Imagine what your next 30 days could look like with this workflow. Gemini helps you analyze documents, organize SEO data, draft recommendations, write audit scripts, and prepare reports. You may reduce your dependence on some paid tools and produce work faster, but the advantage is not zero overhead. You may still need reliable SEO data, API capacity, website access, implementation support, and quality control. Your real advantage is knowing how to combine those pieces without buying every platform before you have a reason to use it. That is how a solo operator competes, not by pretending the tool does everything, but by knowing exactly where it saves time and where experience still matters. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.